Hi, my name's Riley. I initially hurt my back almost a year ago now. I strained it doing some deadlifts, and it was just awful. It was really, really painful, hobbling around, and was kind of desperate for a physio, really needed some help, and kind of went to a couple other physios, and then ended up here. So I was definitely really apprehensive because the last physio that I'd been to, I was really unhappy with kind of like the level of service that I got. I felt kind of like I was in there, I was rushed in, rushed out. So I was a bit nervous before, I came to Instant. I felt way better. I felt like speaking with Ed just explained everything really, really well. I felt like I was able to explain where it hurt. He actually asked me questions and also ran me through like practical exercises from the beginning. So that was great. Definitely all the practical kind of things that I was given, because I got to work with Ed and Steve a couple times, and just, giving me exercises that I could easily do, from home or from the gym every day helped. Like, I didn't need things that were really complicated. These are really simple and straightforward. Like, way better. It's been great. I don't have any more back pain. And it was really great because I actually pulled my back again kind of in the middle of my sessions, and I felt really discouraged, like back to the beginning, but the guys walked me through everything. It was great. So yep, definitely would recommend to a friend or family. Have already recommended to a friend, and she's come and met Debbie. So yeah, definitely would come back here as well if anything else, happened, any other injuries, which you guys would be my first port of call.